Hello, Mr. Gupta. How are you?
Good, how are you?
All good, thank you. Thank you for joining today. So here I have structured a training need analysis for your center, and here we start. So it's about time management and workload balance, as I have collected the data and come to know that uh, some of the staff are really struggling, and they really want to have to know about how to manage their time, and they can work according to prioritize their work.
Okay.
So uh, like why we need this is some of the employees are overwhelmed and they are really burned out. They didn't get that much time for planning, and they are unable to do the proper planning, even writing the learning stories. It's very difficult for them to have the proper supervision, do the documentation, and it's affecting the well-being of the staff. So it's really important that we should go through with our training need analysis. So here, I have collected the information by interviewing one of the staff members, Sarah, and I asked like open-ended questions, observed the daily practices and the workload that they have to go through, the job description, and I have reviewed the role as well. And yeah, they are doing a lot, and they are really struggling with a lot of responsibilities.
Okay.
So the data shows like 85% of staff, they are struggling with time management. 90% reported like emotional fatigue. So it's not just physically, but it's affecting the mental well-being of the staff members. Then it's like the planning tool. It's hard to understand which planning and how to structure the proper routines, and even that team building is missing as well, because now they are having so much of workload. It's like hard for them to prioritize their work, and it's very hard for them to work as a team. Like it's the start of arising the conflicts.
Mhm.
So to have the good team with like effective trust building, it's really important that we should work on training need for the staff. So these are some of the modules that I have come through.
Mhm.
So first one is like a BSB 40520, and it's about certificate 4 in leadership and management. So once like especially the room leaders, if they know acting as that effective leadership and how to manage their work, how to manage their time, it can really affect the center and their working. Then BSB LDR 411, demonstrate leadership in a workplace. So it will have like effective leadership, which can understand the staff and which can prioritize the work and lead the whole team.
Mhm.
It can really like positive impact it can have on the center. And then BSB LTR 413, leading effective workplace relationship. As we discussed, that team is even going through with some hardship. They're overwhelmed, and they are not able to trust each other, and they are not able to build up that confidence level. So with these trainings, it will be really helpful for them.
Okay.
And the next one is BSB XTW 401, lead and facilitate a team. So effective team, like team building, trusting on each other. It's really important when we are talking about like a child care. So we are having if we see the ratio, so 4 or 5 educators in a room, so they have to share the responsibility. It's really important that they trust each other. I hope you agree with me.
Agree.
Yeah. And the last one is BSB 41419, certificate 4 in workplace health and safety. So it's about like their well-being, what is to be expected, and the policies, how they can work. So it's like safety not just related to the children, but yes, safety of the employees as well. So these are like some of the vocationals one. Now non-vocational, it will be really good if we can have weekly team sessions with the staff and know how they are working, and are they able to manage their stress level or not, and whatever support required to them. So yes, we are always happy to support them.
Cool.
So yeah, it will, of course, it will affect. You can see the changes in the center as the team will be there, and it will be, their workload will be reduced, and they'll, it's not like reduced, but yeah, they'll know how to manage the things. They can prioritize the work, and that's how they'll be able to meet up the things. So it will really help to simplify the things, and ultimately it will affect their well-being, which we really feel like we needed.
Yep.
And then, yep, all good. If you have any questions,
No.
or so, I really believe that we need to work together so that we
Sure.
can manage that conflict, we can manage that, we can boost up the team with their effective team building
All right.
strategies, and they can manage their time so that they can, we can all like work together.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.